In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change time zone in Slack Workspace. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To change your time zone, it is pretty simple. First, go ahead and log into your Slack Workspace. Once you are in, go ahead and click on your account here. You can see this is your account icon. If you click on it, now choose this option called Profile. Now under Profile, go ahead and click on Edit option. Just enter your profile here. Now here you can see we have your current time zone that is available in Slack. Should you want to change this, now you can click on this and you'll see we have various time zones. You can go ahead and choose the one that is most appropriate for your case. Once you are done, now go ahead and click on Save and the changes will be saved immediately. So that's how you can change your time zone in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.